Breaking news. This is rising tension. Nigeria may soon cease to exist. Yoruba elders. Coalition of Oduduwa Elders (COE) has warned against another civil unrest from rising tension as a result of insecurity in the country. Particularly, the elders bemoaned and the growing tension in the southwest, insisting that President Muhammadu Buhari should intervene urgently. The elders warned that despite the insecurity taking its toll in the country, Nigeria may soon cease to exist unless proactive steps are taken by the federal government to salvage the situation. Their reaction came yesterday following the tension generated across the country, occasioned by violent attacks and burning of houses and cars in Oyo State. The socio-cultural group, however, advised that one of the urgent steps the presidency must adopt should be to overhaul the entire security system. They reported attacks on some Fulani in the southwest and gloomy security situation in the region and the country at large calls for urgent and deliberate action on the part of President Muhammadu Buhari. The elders said in a statement by its national coordinator, Dr. Tunde Aremu, the elders warned that if action was not taken to stem the tide, Nigeria is likely going to witness another civil unrest which has the potential of threatening our existence. They alleged that suspect terrorist elements in the mood of foreign elders were infiltrating the southwest without molestation, that is, the herdsmen. They accused the armed forces of failing in its primary duty to defending the national and the nation's territorial integrity against external aggression. The elders maintain that the Yorubas have the inalienable right to raise concern about the failure of the federal government to protect them and their communities against armed men. The Oduduwa elders, however, sued for peaceful coexistence between the Yorubas as well as residents, saying violence remained authentical to meaningful development. As a way out of security situation in the country, the coalition has joined well-meaning Nigerians and groups to call for immediate replacement of service chiefs with a new set of officers with a fresh perspective and proactive defense and security management. The statement reads, as stakeholders in Yoruba land and the Nigerian project as a whole, we have watched with keen interest the unfolding events in the country, especially as they relate to the southwest region, and we wish to advise Mr. President to urgently take steps that will restore public confidence in the nation. We say this with all sense of responsibility, as our investigations show that failure to take action on the part of Mr. President may well be an invitation to another civil war, the end of which we cannot predict. Our country is sitting on a keg of gunpowder, a time bomb if you like, and if nothing is done urgently, we may face another civil unrest, as the citizens are tired of the actions and inactions of the president in the area of security of lives and properties. This has to change now before it is too late. We dare say that the challenges faced by Nigerians currently are fallout of the government's failure to secure communities, and there is an urgent need for immediate and total restructuring of the entire security architecture. If the country cannot be resolved by the security of military, it will get worsen. We mean no word in saying that restructuring must begin with the sack of the country's service chiefs and replacement with young and more competent officers. The rising tension is coming from the Yoruba elders, the Oduduwa Congress. Nigeria may soon cease to exist if government does not sack all the service chiefs that are supposed to protect lives and citizens. Thank you for listening. You are listening to Independent TV 7. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this news so that others can be aware. Thanks for listening and God bless you.